Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best smart thermostat is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your home, offering unparalleled control over your comfort and energy consumption, and while the initial investment might seem significant, the long-term savings and convenience it provides are truly remarkable, making it a worthwhile addition for any modern household seeking efficiency and a smarter way to manage their living space. Number 5. Full Metal Jack, The Hunt for Jack Reacher Series. Dive into the thrilling world of Jack Reacher. Experience the suspense and action like never before. Join the iconic character on his latest quest. Every page turns with unexpected twists and turns. Discover the grit and determination that defines him. This is the story you've been waiting for. Follow the clues as he pieces together the puzzle. The truth is out there, and he's determined to find it. Get ready for a non-stop ride of suspense. You won't be able to put it down. What we like. Dive into a gripping mystery with this installment of the Jack Reacher series. If you're a fan of intricate plots and a relentless protagonist, this is for you. Experience the suspense and action that keeps you on the edge of your seat. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any room. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 4. All Things Must Pass Deluxe 3 CD. Experience the iconic album like never before. This deluxe edition brings you closer to the music with extensive bonus content. Discover the full scope of this legendary recording. It includes the original album plus a wealth of previously unreleased material. This is the ultimate collection for any admirer of this groundbreaking work. Immerse yourself in the artistry and evolution of the songs. Journey through the creative process with rare demos and outtakes. Hear the songs take shape in their earliest forms. Own the most complete version of a true classic. This 3 CD set offers an unparalleled listening experience. What we like. Experience a legendary album with this extensive deluxe edition. If you appreciate classic rock and want to explore bonus content, this is a must-have. Immerse yourself in the rich sound and additional tracks that offer a deeper listening experience. What people say. The product is very durable and has a sleek design. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. Number 3. Scooby-Doo, The Ghoul School DVD. Join Scooby-Doo and the gang as they head to a mysterious boarding school. It's filled with ghouls, ghosts, and plenty of laughs. This beloved animated film brings you a brand new mystery for your favorite canine detective. Can he and his friends solve the case before it's too late? Packed with humor and suspense, this movie is perfect for a family movie night. It's a timeless tale of friendship and bravery. See Scooby-Doo, Shaggy, and the rest of the Mystery Incorporated crew in action. Their unique personalities shine through in this exciting adventure. Bring home this classic animated feature today. It's the perfect addition to any Scooby-Doo collection. What we like. Get ready for some ghoulishly good times with this animated classic. If you're looking for family-friendly entertainment with a touch of mystery and humor, this is a great choice. Perfect for a fun movie night with kids or for nostalgic fans. What people say. I've missed and loved this movie since I was a kid. The movies with Scrappy-Doo were the best. My goddaughter loves her spooky stuff, just like her godmother, and I know she'll love this Scooby-Doo movie that I grew up watching. Kids do like this film and my boys have watched it more than once, put it that way. Also have to say for both of them, with Scooby films they watch them from start to finish. Number 2. GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition Action Camcorder. Meet the GoPro Hero 4 Silver. Its built-in touch display lets you easily frame shots, adjust settings, and review your footage. Navigating your camera is simpler than ever. A new dedicated button provides quick access to settings, with streamlined menus for effortless control. Capture stunning 12MP photos at an incredible speed of up to 30 frames per second. This device excels at fast, powerful photo capture. Stay connected with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Enjoy enhanced connectivity to the GoPro app and smart remote for seamless operation. Unlock professional-level creativity with ProTune, now available for both video and photos. Gain manual control over color, ISO, exposure, and more. Explore new creative possibilities with Night Photo Lapse. Customize exposure settings up to 30 seconds for unique single and time-lapse photos. Experience exceptional sound quality. Its advanced audio system captures clean, high-fidelity sound with nearly double the dynamic range. What we like. Capture your adventures with incredible detail thanks to its built-in touch display and fast photo capabilities. If you're an active individual who wants to document your experiences with professional quality footage and easy control, this action cam is ideal. Its advanced features like ProTune offer creative flexibility for aspiring filmmakers. What people say. The camera is working great and I keep taking it with me when I go kayaking. Videos and photos were tack sharp and it functioned like it was never involved in a quadcopter crash. The touchscreen works well as a viewfinder. Plus there's the option to play back videos, complete with sound, right on the camera. Number 1. Superstore Cloud 9 T-shirt. Get ready to experience ultimate comfort and style with our brand new Cloud 9 T-shirt. It's designed for everyday wear, making it a perfect addition to your wardrobe. Crafted from premium, soft fabric, this tee offers unparalleled comfort all day long. You'll love how it feels against your skin. Featuring a classic fit and a modern design, it effortlessly elevates any casual outfit. Look good and feel great wherever you go. Built to last, this t-shirt is made with high-quality materials that withstand regular washing and wear. It's a reliable choice for your daily adventures. Whether you're running errands or meeting friends, this versatile piece is suitable for any occasion. It's the go-to item for effortless style. Don't miss out on this essential addition to your collection. Grab your Cloud 9 t-shirt today and upgrade your casual wear. What we like. Show off your love for the show with this comfortable and stylish tee. If you're a fan of the Superstore series and want to represent your favorite workplace comedy, this t-shirt is a perfect addition to your wardrobe. It's great for casual wear or for attending fan conventions. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. It has a wide range of features that are very useful for everyday tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.